Magical fever dream.
Yeah, that's great.
Dent and his estranged mother take a day trip through a drive-thru zoo where they're taken off-road and beyond the veil of civilization. Our main actor, Sam Swanson, who played Dent, really brought a lot of enthusiasm. He brought a lot of playfulness to the role that we maybe didn't initially. I don't know, he brought something really, really fresh to the role that gave us a lot of momentum. AA batteries and water.
Yes. Water and AA batteries and sun covering.
It's a lot harder to get pickups for something that you shot in the winter, in the spring.
It's full of a lot of lore about Ponce de Leon, which some people who don't live in Florida don't get it, and are like, who is that?
Also, there's the Calusa, we have the Calusa mask in the film. Initially, we wrote a much bleaker ending, a much, much bleaker ending.
We didn't want people to watch it and be like, oh, so like my dreams will never come true, or everything's terrible. It's very important to try to do that and to try to extend the boundary of filmmaking past those two metropolises, because things happen all over the country, and it's nice to be able to represent like, well, this is actually what other people are experiencing when you have worked on it so many times that you can't do anything else to make it better. And then if you extend that point, then you get lost in the sauce.
This program is brought to you in part by Oolite Arts, what Miami is made of, and by Friends of South Florida PBS.